So if you don't have a car or you don't want to take a cab or an Uber, you can take a Jitney, and that's how we're getting back to the Tropicana. It's a little green bus that's coming towards us right now. It's $3 a person, or if you are a senior citizen, you can get some stamps, and it is 10 for $7.50, which is 75 cents a ride. But yep, the Jitney is still $3. And here we go. So this is the Jitney. We are going from Hard Rock to Tropicana. They do run 24 hours a day, and it's $3 a person if you are just a regular paying customer. And if you get some tickets, if you are a senior citizen, it's 10 for $7.50, which is 75 cents a ticket, opposed to the $3 a person. And away we go. Okay. One way that you can travel is taking one of these little buggies. It's $5 one way and $13 for the day. Also, they have these little buggies that you get in, and you pay by the block, and there's a man behind that will push you. Or you can go on the city street and take a Jitney, but we prefer walking. Putting down new boards over there. Ta-da! Looks good. And here are the pushers, so that's the other way that you can travel around. No, we're good, thank you. And we are almost to Resorts. You can see the wheel in the back, which is a lot of fun. We did that before. So you can get a ride on the boardwalk with the pushers or with the little buggies here.